You know what? Easton University is awesome. I hope you guys can agree that Easton University is awesome. You know what's awesome about it? 4K. It's 4K. You know what else is awesome about it? Me. I'm awesome about it. You know what else is really great? You can watch Easton University from an iPhone, from an Android, from a tablet, from an iPad. You can watch it from a computer. It's actually what we've done is we've used dual diagnostic, hypnotistic, feature mandating, smooth processing flow to make sure that the videos that you watch, like this video, one that you're watching right now, will show up on your phone. What am I doing? I'm feature dumping. And it's so easy. A lot of us are like, man, that's crazy. You sound like you've been drinking something. No, I haven't been drinking anything. But what a lot of us do, selling is stressful. Selling is pressure, not only for us, but for them. It's a high pressure type of environment, all right? It's scary. A lot of times we're afraid. We fear that we're not doing a good job. And as soon as we get one little tiny bit of positive feedback from the person that we're working on, we start to get excited. And when we start to get excited, we start to talk really fast. And when we talk really fast, you can say, hey, you should work with our construction company. Our construction company is great. All of the people at our construction company are certified. We've got bulldozers. Not only do we have bulldozers, we've got Komatsu bulldozers. You've heard of a Komatsu bulldozer. It's the best bulldozer ever. Well, we drive Komatsu bulldozers. We're going to show up with the Komatsu bulldozer, and we are LEED certified green. We're environmentally friendly. We have a zero carbon footprint, right? We start feature dumping. Slow down. Pump the brakes. If you're going to talk about a feature, you need to have earned the right to talk about that feature by asking an articulate and intelligent question. If they needed you to feature dump, they would have just gone to the website. The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm going to show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm going to show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm going to show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career is going to make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm going to show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.